signing up with Announcely. Fill in the Create an Account form as shown. Verify your account through the email sent by Announcely. Now that your account has been verified, you will be added to the waitlist. An email will be sent once approval has been given. Approval does not take long at all. Now you will be asked to enter a referral code. If you do not have one, simply click Skip. Pick a pricing plan of your choice and activate your free 7-day trial. Onboarding with Announcely. First, let's connect your Discord server using a Discord bot token. Be sure to have the relevant bot intents enabled. If you are unsure how to configure and set up your bot, please follow the onboarding document, which can be found in the tutorials and how-to section of our website. Now let's connect your WhatsApp web account. Simply navigate to linked devices on the WhatsApp app and scan the QR code. For security reasons, it's highly recommended for you to use an alternative WhatsApp account instead of your personal one. Finally, let's add your Telegram bot token. This token can be made using BotFather. Again, if you are unsure, please read our onboarding document. Congratulations, you have successfully begun your cross-platform journey. If you are still having issues onboarding, then do not hesitate to contact us via our Discord server or email. Creating links with Announcely. Head over to the linked chat section on the Announcely dashboard. Click on the Create Link button. This should display a menu as shown. Start by selecting the Discord server you would like to link and the source channel. The source channel is simply the channel within the server that you would like to create the link for. Next, select the platform you would like the messages to be forwarded to. First, let's do WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, Announcely is linked to WhatsApp Web, so it may take a few minutes for chats to appear while they are being synced. If your target chat has not appeared after a few minutes, send a new message to the chat. Once synced, it should appear at the top. Now select whether or not you would like to include source information with the forwarded messages. This simply shows where the messages came from. Finally, click on the Create button and you are ready to go. When creating the Telegram link, the process is the same as shown with WhatsApp. If your desired target chat is not present, simply send a message in the chat and it should appear once you refresh the dashboard. If you are still facing issues with creating the links, this could be due to the configuration of the bot tokens. Please refer to the onboarding docs. We are also able to help via our Discord server and email. Here is an example of Discord linked chats once configured with both WhatsApp and Telegram. Sending announcements from Announcely dashboard. Go to the Announcements tab on the dashboard and click on Create Announcement. Choose the Discord channel you would like the message to be sent to, and simply create the message you would like to send to Discord. Announcely supports sending attachments and allows you to schedule messages. Pretty cool, right? Also, if the Discord channel you are sending the message to has linked chats already created using Announcely, the messages will also be forwarded to those platforms as shown.